After our consultation with Mel, we've decided that our hair is going to be perfect for the SEASTRAIGHT line. The Lauga SEASTRAIGHT products are designed perfectly to work in synergy with one another to give smoothness and straightness to the hair. Using these products over a period of time, the more you use them, the more the hair will remember the products and keep the hair straighter and smoother for longer. This product transforms unruly hair, and after only one use, you will see visible, softer, shinier, and smoother results. We now use the SEASTRAIGHT shampoo. This is a hydrating, rejuvenating product that's going to repair any of the damage within the hair, keeping the hair straighter and smoother for longer, complete with the Lauga Nord 5 complex, hyaluronic acid, and the thermoactive proteins, alongside the 7 conditioning agents within the shampoo. This is going to give the maximum benefits.